Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's been quite a while since I last uploaded or filmed a video. I have been working on my van and it is semi-done. So, as you guys can probably see, I am dressed pretty warm, and that's because, well, it's cold outside. And, just like last year, because of my procrastination, okay, that sounded weird. Because of my procrastination, I ended up not starting on this till the winter again. And my dad has been suffering with me outside in the cold for the last 2.5 weeks. If you're watching, Dad, thank you, and I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and drill the rest of these screws in. I'm gonna go get my mattress from inside the house, see if we can make it fit. Okay, so now this mattress that I bought is a queen size mattress. The space for the bed is the correct width, but it is definitely shorter than queen by like 10 inches. And you guys have probably noticed the TV in here at this point. It doesn't work. Actually nothing works right now. I have to go get my battery from inside the house and bring it in here, and the only thing that it's going to be powering is the Webasto heater, just strictly to test if it will work for a whole night. There we go. It's only a 6-inch mattress, but if you have watched any of my previous videos, you'll know that I was sleeping in a 30-year-old cot with a 30-year-old, like, blow-up sleeping pad thing. Ooh. Get Mr. Lights down. Sorry, I trapped you. Okay. Now, honestly, might just keep it like this. I mean, without the bag, but like, it's honestly not that bad. I might just keep it like this. That was close. We are gonna sleep in it like this tonight, minus the salt packets. So let's go get the stuff. This is my battery. I gotta get going right now because it is 10:16. If you can see that, Walmart closes at 11. Now, I still have no idea what I'm gonna cook tonight, so I gotta figure that out on the way there. Safety first, sometimes. Okay, hopefully none of that stuff falls back there. Got my kitchen stuff, cooking stuff, my battery, all my sleeping things. Okay, I kind of forgot that I don't have a latch on that door, so I've got to try not to brake so hard. Yeah. Okay, I stopped on the side of the road because I thought I heard something like dragging underneath the van. And I thought that maybe my heater exhaust pipe had come loose or something, but it's still pretty solid. So let's keep going. Here we are, the Mart of Walls. If you can even see anything through my window. Where to park? It's too late to go inside, unfortunately. So, no food for me, which sucks. Here we are. We're just gonna park by this mountain of snow. Okay, well, I am pretty bummed out about not getting to eat. So much for dinner. It is pretty comfortable in the van, not gonna lie. But it is, I don't know if you can see that, it is 5 degrees right now. Check this out, guys. So this is supposed to be my closet eventually. I just need to buy a closet or a pole, and then I'll be able to hang like my jackets and stuff. These are my overhead storage cabinets. Got my TV plugged into the wall here, and I'm hoping that eventually I'll be able to take my Xbox or my Switch or something and put it up here so I can play some video games. So this is our camp spot for the night. Before I get ready for bed, I need to make sure that my heater works. I need to attach it to the battery. So, my wires should be inside here. I think it is this one right here. Positive first, then negative. When disconnecting the cables, disconnect the negative first. Alright, I'm not trying to blow this thing up. Okay, red it is. Okay, I haven't died yet. Oh, oh, that scared me. They are in. Okay, so I've set this thing for 65. It currently says that it's 47 inside the van, which is pretty warm considering that it's like 5 outside. And we do have warm air on the first try. I'm gonna let this keep running, and now I'm gonna get ready for bed. Okay, so bed is made. Beautiful. There is a diner over there that I'm probably gonna go get breakfast at in the morning. So I will see you guys in the morning. I've definitely had worse nights of sleep. It is currently 50 degrees inside the van, and outside temperature is 8. It's a whole 43 degrees warmer inside here. Last year, the coldest that it ever was outside was 5 degrees. Okay, let's get something to eat. Almost forgot my key. Somebody told me this was a good place to eat, so figured I might as well try it out.
Got my phone back there. Good morning. My boss is back there making
Hi.
How's it going?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. What can I get you started with to drink?
Could I get orange juice?
Orange juice? Okay.
Thank you. Pancakes, please.
Pancakes? Alright. Thank you.
Give this to you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
We need anything else right now?
No, I'm okay, thank you. Okay, well, it looks good so far. It's not the biggest omelet I've ever seen. Definitely kind of small, but it's good. So overall, pretty good meal at Perkins. I'd say it's pretty standard, like American diner, honestly. Anyways, I think that'll about do it for today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.